Hi there. In this quick video I'm going to attempt to fix this on the bumper of my A4 B8. Yeah, a wall was behind me. I don't know what it was doing there. What can I say? So let's get to it. So this didn't actually take the paint off, only here, here and here. And I already put some gray paint in these two, and I'm going to put some in there in a moment. Tried buffing it out. Nothing much happened. Probably it's almost at the paint level, so I would need to remove all the clear coat, so I don't want really to do that. I just wanted to make it a little bit less obvious, because the car already had some scratches when I bought it, so it's not perfect. I'm not trying to make it perfect, just a bit better. So for this I'm going to use alcohol and obviously a cloth to clean the area really well, and then try to apply a clear coat just in this area without masking anything, and see if it helps. I will just do a tiny patch somewhere. If it doesn't help, I'm not going to touch the rest. Just a really light coat. So yeah, let's see how it goes. Well, this works better than expected. Let me just give you an idea. That's exactly what I was looking to get out of this. So let me do it better off camera, and I will show you when I finish. And it's done, and in my opinion it's looking much better than what it was before. We have the deep scratches, but before there were a ton of really shallow ones. So yeah, pretty good, pretty good. So that has been it. Hopefully this helps you not paint your whole bumper for a while. Just leave it with it as is a bit more, and yeah, that's about it. Thank you very much for watching, and as always, see you in the next one. Bye.